take a moment. What do you feel right now? Now, what should you feel? But what is already there, let's bring that into our playing. Let's start with just one note. Any note. Close your eyes and play it. Listen. Feel the vibration. Breathe with it. Now add another note. Keep it simple. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Notice how the rhythm starts to emerge on its own. No need to force it. Just your hands moving naturally. The handpan is designed to be played with a natural hand-to-hand motion. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Just like walking. This creates a balance and fluidity in your playing. Let's bring our mantra into it. Remember? Feel how your body starts to relax. Your hands begin to flow without thinking. This is the key to improvisation, releasing control, and letting rhythm carrying you. Now let's bring emotion into your playing. Try to play Pachamama more softer. With more force. Now try to explain an exciting story. Do you feel the difference? This is the heart of expressive playing. You are not just playing notes, you are telling a story with sound. Alright, here's your challenge. Close your eyes and let your hands move freely without thinking, without planning. Trust your hands and let them explore the handpan. If you start overthinking, come back to your breath. Inhale, exhale, let go. Your hands know more than your mind does. Improvisation isn't about being perfect. It's about being present. Every time you sit with your handpan, you're deepening your connection. Not just the instrument, but yourself. So keep playing, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep feeling. Your sound is unique. The world needs to hear it. Keep going, keep the resonance with your body, mind and soul and your handpan. Keep flowing, let it go with your personal mantra, any and see you in the next video.